A new drug is being tested in Dorset and Hampshire that it's hoped could help a patient's own cells beat the disease. It's being trialled on people with neck and head cancers, with the aim of stopping cancerous cells in our body hiding from our immune system. It's taken nearly 2 decades and millions of pounds to get this far, and if it works, it could be used on patients with other cancers as well. Sault reports from Poole Hospital.
Thursday morning at Poole Hospital, and Stephen Lewis arrives for a check-up with his consultant.
Hello. Hi Steve, come in.
Stephen was diagnosed with neck cancer at the end of last year and had a tumour cut out.
Okay, so Steve, I'm just going to have a feel of the neck and make sure there are no lumps and bumps.
I came into hospital last November for a neck dissection where they opened up the side of the throat and removed the tumour, and then they rebuilt the throat with tissue taken from the arm.
So what you actually had was a checkpoint immunotherapy, and it is absolutely brand spanking new.
But now Stephen is also unique. He's been recruited onto a major drugs trial across Hampshire and Dorset that could stop cancerous tumours growing so quickly. Our body is made up of immune cells that protect us and order infected cells like viruses to self-destruct. But cancerous cells can trick our immune system by telling the immune cells to ignore the cancer. These new drugs that have been 15 years in development interfere with this message, allowing the immune system to attack the cancer.
The patient takes a drug or a dummy drug, a placebo, every day, and they take 3 tablets a day, and then we proceed with the operation and take more tissue. And we compare the immune cells in the tissue taken at diagnosis, so before the drug, and then the tissue taken at the time of surgery. And what we want to be able to show is that the number of immune cells has changed and ideally increased.
And for Stephen, it's something that's all worthwhile.
You just take the tablets, but then you come to the hospital every week for monitoring. You get your own dedicated nurse, which the team here, the nurses here, are brilliant.
Health bosses across Dorset and Hampshire still want people to take part in these tests. We should know the results of the trials in 2 years' time. Only then will we find out if we're a step closer to a cancer breakthrough. Sault, BBC South Today in Poole.